If you want to grow real wealth and not just keep up with everyone else, there's one silent money trap most people never talk about, and it's quietly destroying your financial future every single month. Look at how most people spend their money. Housing, taxes, utilities. Yes, they take big chunks out of your paycheck, but at least they serve a purpose. You live somewhere, your bills get paid, and life moves on. But transportation, especially your car, is different. Car payments, insurance, fuel, repairs, parking. It's all money that just disappears. The average new car costs nearly $48,000, yet it's not an investment. It's a black hole for your finances. The situation is getting worse every year. Total auto loan debt has skyrocketed from $720 billion in 2005 to $1.62 trillion today. More people than ever are stuck in the car poor trap, earning just enough to pay for their car but not enough to actually build wealth. Why do we fall for it? Marketing and social pressure. Car companies sell you an image: success, power, confidence, even romance. But they rarely show the reality. Traffic jams, surprise repair bills, and the way your car's value drops the second you drive it off the lot. And let's be honest, no one applauds an old paid-off car, but a flashy new BMW? People instantly assume you're successful. Many even borrow more than the car is worth, ending up in negative equity. In late 2023, 1 in 4 car owners owed more than their car's actual value. Imagine paying $40,000 for a car that's now only worth $30,000. That's $10,000 instantly gone. Take a car like the Honda Civic, the most popular choice for young drivers. Sticker price, $27,867. But the real cost over 5 years? Depreciation takes $10,999 off the value, insurance adds nearly $12,000, fuel is over $6,400, financing around $4,700, maintenance $3,200, taxes and fees $2,800, and unexpected repairs $1,790. That adds up to $46,821, almost double the price you thought you were paying. Now imagine taking the same monthly payment and putting it into an S&P 500 index fund. Over 5 years, with a historical average return of 10% per year, that same money could grow to roughly $60,000. That's a difference of over $40,000 just by making smarter financial choices. Owning a car isn't inherently bad. You often need one, but most people overpay without realizing what they're giving up. Cars should be bought smartly. Avoid brand new models, keep total transport costs reasonable, and maintain your car long term instead of trading every few years. Doing this not only saves money but allows you to invest the difference and actually build wealth. A small saving each month, invested consistently, can turn into a down payment on a house or a nest egg you never thought possible. The key is understanding the true cost of owning a car and thinking about opportunity cost. Every dollar tied up in something that loses value is a dollar that isn't working for you. Cars can fit into your life without destroying your finances. It just takes awareness and smarter choices. If you want to learn how to start investing step by step and make your money work for you instead of against you, I've got a full tutorial linked right here. But first, hit subscribe to Casual Finance Tips so you don't miss the best ways to grow your wealth smartly, not just spend it trying to look successful.